How to automate your Google Sheets. Zenphi has many different actions that allow automating your Google Sheets spreadsheets easy. To be able to do this, you can use the search bar to be able to search for Google Sheets, or you can go to the category section and select Google Sheets from the menu. You're going to be able to see over a dozen different actions that allow you to do things like add rows, create sheets, delete rows, export the spreadsheet, find a specific row, list columns, and more. Once you find the action that you want to use, simply go ahead and drag and drop it to your flow. You're going to see a red ring appear around the action. That means your action is not yet configured. You're going to click on the gear icon, and you're going to be able to see all of the mandatory fields also listed in red. First, you have to set up your connection. If you don't know how to do this, we'll have a tutorial linked in the description. Some actions may require only a Google Sheets account connection, and some may require a Google Drive connection, depending on if you only need to access a specific Google Sheet or if you also need to access a folder or a separate file. Here where it says File ID, you can either use the token picker or the Google Drive icon to select which file you want to use. This is going to allow you to be able to select the file from your drive, and depending on the action, you're going to have different parameters that you need to fill. For example, here we can select by sheet ID or by sheet name. So here I'm able to select this to be able to select a specific sheet on my Google Sheet. So I could choose this one. And then as we can see, the action would be completely configured. Each action will allow you to do different things. For example, this one is duplicating a sheet. So we can see the output is going to be the new sheet name, sheet ID, and file name. And just like that, it's so easy to be able to automate your Google Sheets spreadsheets.